Hello, let's talk about bird netting and bug netting. This is stuff I've already used on my strawberries years ago, and I kind of just wrapped it all up and saved it, so it's used equipment that I'm reusing until it's completely wore out. I mean, why buy new when you can still use this stuff? So anyway, we're coming up on the bug netting, and it's the same stuff that you put in the screen in your windows on your house. And we have the thermal, it's a thermal blanket actually, but it's called a row cover. And I have a line going across the top from pole to pole. Holding it all up. That's going to stop the birds from eating the berries until they figure out how they can get in there. And that's another thing. You got to watch that a bird doesn't get in there, because he'll get trapped, and definitely he will eat all the berries in there. And you don't want to, hurt any birds. You just don't want to trap them in there. So keep an eye on it so you can let them out if they get in there.